Howdy folks, this is Bryant with Tech Responsibly coming at you with another DIY workshop video. Today we're talking about ADA compliance. As a lot of you know, there's a lot of scary legal battles going on regarding whether websites need to be ADA compliant or not. My 2 cents on it is why pay a lawyer when it costs so little to be ADA compliant? And it's something you can do yourself. You don't need to pay any development firm or marketing company to get yourself ADA compliant. Today we're looking at a tool called Accessiby. This is a pretty common one to use. There's other ones like it. I'm just going to show you this one because the barrier to entry is just so low. We're going to be done here in about 5 minutes. So to get started, you hit accessiby.com. The link will be in the article attached to this video. And then you just hit start free trial. That's going to bring you out to a sign up. Super easy. You don't even need to enter any credit card details. Just plug in your name and an email address, password, and let's do this. 2222525. That'll work. Hit sign up. All right, now you've got an account. From here, just enter your domain. So today we'll do Tech Responsibly test. This is just a test site we have set up locally. That's already in use. Well, we'll just do programs.com. Start our free trial. All right, that's it. You've registered your site. You got a 7-day trial. When you are ready to purchase, you can just go over here, enter your information, select your plan, monthly or annual billing. Usually you're just going to need that standard plan, $49 a month. Much cheaper than paying another company $100, $150 a month to manage it. Then we hit over here to installation. This is super easy. You got two options. You can copy to clipboard, do it yourself, or you can send the instructions to someone you trust. The process to get this script on your site is so simple that it would be a really poor choice to pay somebody to do it, to be perfectly honest. And so that's why at Tech Responsibly we are actually offering right now setting up scripts in your header for free. It's so simple, and I'm going to walk you through just how simple it is so you can understand how ridiculous it is for you to pay a development firm to do this. So I'm going to hit this. I'm going to hit this copy script. It's going to take this script. We're going to put it in our quote unquote header tags. You don't need to know anything about header, footer tags, website code, nothing. You just tell somebody you want that in your header. And just to show you kind of what we're looking at, we are going to look over here, and we've got just 6 lines of code, 7 lines of code, nothing crazy. And now to illustrate what this is going to do, you're going to copy paste that. You're going to send that to your developer, or preferably you can send it to us. We're going to do it to you, do it for free for you. They are literally just going to copy and paste that code right there, and boom, there's your little widget. You're now ADA compliant. You want to play with anything you can. You can change the content scaling, lower the content scaling, highlight titles, highlight links, font sizing, whole 9 yards. We are sitting at what, like 3-4 minutes, and we have a ADA compliant website. It cost us nothing. We got a 7-day free trial, and when we do end the trial, it's going to cost us $49 a month. Totally beats going to a development firm, totally beats going to a marketing firm, and that is just another great technology DIY you can do to help build your business. So again, that's Bryant with Tech Responsibly, and if you have any questions, just hit us up.